Today I'm going to share with you all this makeup look. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching.
For the primer, I use Lakme primer. It helps to hold my makeup and blur my pores. I just press it into the targeted areas. For the foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is a mattifying foundation. I will use a damp sponge to apply this foundation. Now for the concealer, I use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. I will apply this on my eyelid, under my eyes, and also on the blemishes. For contouring, I am using NYB's foundation stick. I am contouring my cheeks, jawline, and my nose. Now I will blend everything with a brush. To set everything, I am using L'Oreal Matte Magique powder. For eyeshadow, I am using this Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette. I am taking this cool transition shade and applying it to my crease. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend this transition shade. From the same palette, I'm taking this dark brown color and applying it only to the outer V of my eye. I'm just focusing on the outer V. From Savannah Colors Double Exposure Palette, I'm taking this shimmery shade and I will apply this to the inner corners of my eye. Again with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to take the brown shade and blend everything together. For eyeliner, I'm using In Color Gel Eyeliner. For the eyebrows, I'm going to brush my eyebrows first and then take Maybelline's Fashion Brow and start filling my eyebrows. To set everything, I'm using Essence Make Me Brow. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. For the blush, I'm using Savannah Colors blush. For the highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Last and final, for my lips, I'm using NY Base Lip Crayon in the shade 03.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.